Years ago today, Hurricane Katrina made landfall along the Gulf Coast, forever changing lives in Louisiana and Mississippi. The deadly storm surge and flooding devastated New Orleans, leaving entire neighborhoods underwater for weeks. Governor Jeff Landry has declared August 29th as Hurricane Katrina Remembrance Day, asking people of all faiths to participate in a statewide day of prayer, and he's ordered flags be flown at half-staff today to honor one of the deadliest storms in U.S. history.
Well, it's